Hey guys, it's G, and this morning I am going to London Alternative Fashion Week, well, just for the day. I will be representing jean jacket designs. I'm so excited. I've shoved something, I literally got really comfy clothes on because I'll be in the car for like 3-4 hours, probably more. But yeah, let's go, I gotta go, okay. So we have just checked in at the hotel. I look really rough, but it's because I've been traveling in the car for a few hours. Look really tired, but yeah, I'm cheating my comfies because I'm going to be getting changed at the event. We've just got our room keys. Yeah, we've both got a room each, which is nice. So we both have a joined room, and we're going to go to the event now, and I can have my face fixed because I assure you I will not be looking like this in the event. This isn't attractive. Look at this, yeah. So we're gonna go there now, and I'll be able to see my dress and my boots. She's decorating my boots. I'm so excited.
Wow. Awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Let's get that one.
That's amazing.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, you got the Deadpool.
Oh, I got the Deadpool one. Oh, I like that.
Look at that, Brody.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, they're all amazing. Oh my god, look at that.
Incredible.
I am back in my hotel room now, and I've just got a Mackey's. I'm in my own hotel room, and then my mum is next door. But we've got a joining room, which is absolutely amazing. I actually look a mess right now, and we have just got a McDonald's because we are really hungry. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I had such an amazing time at Jean Jacket Designs event at the London Fashion Alternative Week. It was so cool because I literally looked like Alice in Wonderland. It was insane. I also want to say a massive thank you to Rachel, who made me the incredible dress and my shoes. Look at my, you can't even see my shoes. My shoes are actually insane. They are so cool. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here and take my makeup off and everything like that. But I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next vlog or tomorrow. Good night. Mwah. Good morning, guys. So it is the morning now. We've obviously had breakfast. I didn't really film that because we're going to be heading off pretty soon. I've literally got no makeup on apart from my brows, and I've got lashes on, but we're going to go home. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday because that is what your girl does. I do not wear things that are not comfy in the car, so I'm just wearing comfy clothes in the car, and I've literally just got my hair down with my freckles out. Hallelujah, bloody hell. So I've just got my glasses on and I'm ready to go home. Obviously we're driving home and it's about nearly 10 o'clock I think in the morning. We had to be I think we had breakfast about 8:30, but yeah, we're gonna go home now. I am going to either leave this vlog here, so I hope you enjoyed this part of the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Go home now and I'll probably catch up with you when I'm back home. So this is my room, and I have a two double bed. Wow. I have a double bed here, a desk over here, a mirror, a TV, a little tea coffee station, and then a little chair with a window. It's super cute in here. It's massive as well, which is perfect for me. And I had this whole bed to myself last night, which was lovely. And then this room is the joining room, which my mum had, which has got two double beds in, and then a window. It's pretty much the same layout, isn't it? But just the other way around. But it's so cute. I love it. I love the artwork as well. That's massive.
That's brilliant.
All this floor, all the floor space. I love it. I want to stay.
So yeah.
So this is the dress that I was wearing last night, and these are the boots. This is literally all of the outfit that I was wearing. How incredible is this? Obviously, it's by the amazing Jean Jacket Designs. They handmade this from scratch. All the measurements was me, everything. It's me in a dress. Look how stunning this is. They've done all of the details, all of the artwork on my shoe is all done by them. These were originally black boots, but I sent them off, and they've done half a skull and half flames, and then the other one has got roses on, and then it says Jean Jacket Designs on the front of the platform. Absolutely stunning. I will be wearing these with my black denim jacket. I'm going to be wearing an all black outfit. I'll probably wear a red lip and literally wear these. These are stunning. And they also made me a hat, because the theme I matched with the bride and groom as well, because we had kind of a theme going on. They also made me a choker and a hat, so this actually matched the other bride and groom, because we both had very similar outfits. So it's got a corset and it's got roses on and red ribbon. It's beautiful. The most amazing crystals ever. Absolutely incredible. A massive thank you to Jean Jacket Designs for doing this for me and for creating amazing jackets that they've done in the past for me. My boots are absolutely amazing. I'm going to be rocking these when I'm going to town. Hello. I will be wearing the most cool boots ever. I love them.